In this lesson, we will create a flow to get the next 5,000 rows dynamically. So we will follow the instructions from the notepad. First one step would be SharePoint. Then we switch it, save and switch. We need the URL of the site before we can do anything. SPS 1000 videos. Come save and publish. The URI. So we get the URI from here. From our previous lessons, we switch to the old. So the next step would be to initialize 3 variables. Make sure everything, New step, initialize. I have put in the initialize variable. Then again, new step. I just get it from my clipboard, but you have to take it from here. Initialize variable. Okay, 3 variables. Boom, boom, boom. I'll just copy them from here. Instructions. Rename. Boom. The name of the variable is string of this type. Boom. String. Done. The second one. Boom. It's an array. It's an array. Then the third variable is a string. Now, the fifth step is to get this set variable, this one. So we'll take new step and get 3 set variables. I have already in my clipboard 1, 2, and 3. Oh, not initialize, set variables. Whenever you are using it repeated, you must put it in the clipboard and get 3 instances of it. So the first set variable, rename, boom. We have to put this, and we have to test this step. We are setting the variable next link from response. And the value is expression. This is the expression. We have to just make sure that we have this name proper. Oh, so we have to put 5,000, first 5,000. We have to name the step properly. Okay, otherwise this step will not be correct. Send an HTTP request. You have to go to rename. Boom. Boom. So the output, we are getting it from send an HTTP request to SharePoint. First 5,000 body D. Next, we already know this. Then the next set variable. First set variable done. The second one is this. Rename. And then we set its value to split. variable next link from response. Variable next is correct. Let's quickly test it. Name is required. Okay, let's check all the steps. Set variable. This one name is required. Okay, so we will set the third variable also. We'll set the third name also. Next link, variable next link. Next URI link. Next URI. Correct. This makes sense. And its value. We are extracting from the expression is boom. Let's quickly test it. Next URI. See, edit. Let's name the step properly. Although the name of these last two steps are not that important. And then the last step, set an HTTP request. SharePoint. The site is same SPS 1000 videos. And then this time the URI would be the variable URI link. So we get it from here, variable next URI link, which we have assigned here, test. So in this, let's check the output. One to 5,000, and in the second one, 5,001 to 10,000. So we have achieved it dynamically. So basically, the first one is to get the first step is to get the SharePoint response. Then we are setting this variable from the body d next. If we see here, the first one, body d results. Body d results has the results, and the body d underscore underscore next has the next URL, which I've shown you. So the first step is to get the link. This link already has underscore API. So we have to split it. We have to split it to extract this. We have to split by API. And that's what we are doing here, splitting API. Now, the zeroth element of the split output will be this. Anything before, we are splitting on this. So this is zeroth element. The one element is this. And then we are appending API once again to it. We are appending one concatenating API again. And then we set this to the next request, and it brings the next 5,000 rows.